Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. This is Chef Pinto here. In today's video, I'm going to show how to make Admas, which is red Admas. It's a Goan, we call it Goan wedding Admas. We normally make one day before the wedding when we have this bikriyan jawan and goes very well with kanji. One of my personal favorite dish, red wedding Goan Admas. So in order to make this, what we need is I've taken Admas, which is 1 kg pork. Then I have onion, which is 2 onions sliced and kept. Vinegar I've taken half cup in order to blend all the dry ingredients. Then I have tomato, which is 1 each chopped and kept. And then salt is to taste. Here I have tamarind pulp, which is 2 tablespoon tamarind pulp. Now the main one is the chilies to give red color. What I have taken is I have taken 6 each of Kashmiri chili. This gives you color and it will not make the dish spicy. In order to make it little bit spicy, I have taken 4 red chilies. Turmeric powder, which is half teaspoon. Then I have 1 teaspoon of cumin, whole cumin. 10 to 12 each of cloves. Then I have 20 peppercorns, black peppercorns, and I have 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 pod of a garlic peeled and kept, and then 1 inch of ginger. So all these ingredients in the plate what you see, I'm going to put it in the blender jar and blend it together with vinegar to make a paste. So let's start this process. So now we'll do the mixing part. See, I've already made a paste. Now in this jar you can add a little bit of water, pass through. Check this out. Salt is to taste. Tomato, onions, and tamarind pulp. Now one more thing is, if you need to add sugar, it gives you a slight sweet and it balances the taste as well. So I will add 1 teaspoon of sugar. That is optional. If you want to add, you can add. If you don't want, don't add sugar. Nicely mix it. Once it is mixed, this will go on the flame directly, same like this. Now, since I've turned on the flame, what we'll do is we'll add water from the jar and leave this, cover it and leave this for simmer till it get cooked. One to keep in mind is, if you want to add green chilies, you can add it. If you want more spicier, then you can add green chili to this, or else I think this will give you a perfect taste. If you want more spicy, then you can add a green chili to this. One thing to keep in mind, don't add too much water, because the meat will release its own water. So now we'll cover this and leave it on simmer to get it slow cooking. Guys, check this out. After simmering it for quite a long time, check this, already ready. Meanwhile, you need to stir in between continuously so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. These are ready to be served now. Check this out.